Whispered prayers where the river flows, hearts so full it overflows. In every shadow, you're the spark, guiding me when life feels dark. I love you, Jesus, my heart's refrain. In the joy, in the pain, I love you, Jesus, forever true. Every breath belongs to you. Stars above sing a quiet hymn, echo deep where the soul begins. Love so vast it won't wear thin. Through the trials, through the fire, your love lifts me, pulls me higher. I love you, Jesus, my heart's refrain. In the joy, in the pain, I love you, Jesus, forever true. Every breath belongs to you. I love you, Jesus, my heart's refrain. In the joy, in the pain,